In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully download, install, and set up Google Drive on your computer. Whether you are using Windows or Mac, Google Drive for Desktop is a powerful tool that helps you sync your files seamlessly between your computer and the cloud, allowing you to access your data anytime and anywhere. Let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Google Drive for Desktop download page. This will open a page where you'll see options to download the application for either Windows or Mac, depending on your operating system. Click on the appropriate link to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, open the installer on your machine. The installation process is straightforward. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your computer. After Google Drive has been successfully installed, launch the application. You'll be prompted to log in using your Google account. Enter your Google credentials to access the app. Now, Google Drive will ask about your syncing preferences. You have two options here, stream files or mirror files. Choosing stream files means that your documents reside in the cloud but are accessible on your computer. They only download when you open them, which is efficient if you have limited storage space. On the other hand, selecting mirror files ensures that your data is stored on both your computer and in Google Drive. This option might be better for you if you desire a local backup in addition to the cloud storage, as it always keeps your files in sync. Next, let's move on to selecting folders you want to sync automatically. Look for the Google Drive icon located in your taskbar on Windows or your menu bar on a Mac and click on it from the drop-down. Head to Preferences by clicking on the gear icon to access settings. Here under the My Computer section, you'll get the option to add folders. Click on Add Folder and choose the ones you wish to sync automatically with Google Drive. This could be your Documents folder, Desktop, Photos, or any other directory important to you. Once selected, confirm your choices and Google Drive will continuously monitor and sync these folders. Any changes made within them will instantly reflect in your Google Drive. Finally, after setting up your sync preferences, you can access the synced files both on your computer and online. On your machine, a dedicated Google Drive folder is created. Simply drop any document, photo, or file here and it will automatically be uploaded to the cloud. If you prefer accessing files via the web, head to drive.google.com in your browser. You will see all your uploaded files under the My Drive section in real time thanks to the seamless syncing process. And there you have it. A complete guide to setting up Google Drive for Desktop. Enjoy the convenience of having your files at your fingertips with robust backup options that keep your data safe and accessible.